Hello and welcome to the HR space. So grab your tea and sit down for a nice round of story today. So yeah, today I'll be telling the story of my first job. So I just thought that my channel should have some professional content like where I'll be sitting and explaining some concepts or giving you tips, and it should also have some impromptu sessions, some heart to heart conversations where you would know the journey of a girl, from what she was told, or what she was expected to become and what she actually became. So it's a long journey obviously, but when I look back I feel like wow, the time has flown by. So my first job, yeah, let's come to the topic. So the first job, I was doing MBA in HR, and it was the year 2017. I enrolled for the MBA program in 2016, and my college was Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. So it is one of the top 5 management colleges in the eastern region of India. And so the first year went very normal, just like it happens in every other college, or it happens with every other person who attends a college. The first year is always like that, making new friends, trying to understand how like what are your preferences. Just a minute. Yeah. So I'm trying to understand what are your preferences, and what I was talking about, yeah, friends. So the first year was spent doing assignments, obviously bunking classes also, and yeah, mostly figuring out what I want to do. I had already decided that I want to be in the HR. I wanted to do an MBA in HR, and I decided it on when I was pursuing BTech. When I was pursuing BTech, yeah. So I decided when I would really want to go into the HR industry when I was in the third year of my engineering. So from then on, I had decided. But yeah, I was very impatient, and I did not have what to say, that resilience to prepare for CAT. But yeah, I had scored good marks in math also, so through math I enrolled in IEM. So after that, so first year went like that. We had no inkling of the fact that second year is going to be so crucial, and you have to gear up for placements. So second year, we got a little bit, we got a setback, like we had a setback ki, oh no, like this is the time now. If I don't work hard, if I don't prove myself, then I'm not going to have a job, and like what will happen then? What will happen to my independence? I have always been in boarding schools. I had studied. I was always out of my home, and if I don't have a job, I just have to go home. I don't mind spending time with my parents, but the independence matters. So I started preparing. It was very basic. I always kept my basics clear, and I was always inclined towards current affairs since my kid. I always won GK competitions, and people at one point of time, people thought I'm going to crack UPSC. That high expectations people had from me. But yeah, so I was always intrigued towards the political, economical situation of my country, always kept myself updated. So that was not a problem for me. And also our college had this very, very great rule that you have to always read the Economic Times. And as soon as we entered our classes, we saw every day we saw that the current edition of Economic Times was there in the desk, each desk. So we had to read it. We had to read the important headlines, and also our professors used to devote 15 minutes of their time in the morning to discuss these current affairs. That helped a lot, honestly. So, and also we had frequent GD sessions about the current topics like GST and demonetization were the trending topics at the time I was appearing for placements. So we used to discuss a lot about those things. I was thoroughly enjoying my puja holidays when I got the mail that cafe coffee day is coming for placements in our college. So I just came back after puja and just started preparing for the placements. And The day came for placements. There was this GD session and personal interview round, and it was all good. GD topic was, as usual, effects of GST, and I had to say, I was like for the motion. So I had to speak about the positive effects of GST. I don't remember what I spoke though, although it was a long time ago. So yeah, so after the PI round, two of us were selected from our college, and we were asked to go to two outlets of CCD and prepare a presentation on our observations. So that presentation round was held in the regional office in Kolkata, and after that, just we got the job. And it was October 2017, 29 October 2017, when I received the standing ovation from the whole class, and our principal announced that we got a job, me and one of my batchmates. So we were the first ones actually to get the job from our batch. So this kind of standing ovation and all this kind of recognition we got. And after that, life just changed. I stopped going to college, first of all, because in the attendance, I know I don't recommend this to other people, but yeah, I stopped going to college. And I don't know why I stopped going to college. I was never the very sincere type of a student, honestly. So, and that doesn't mean that I used to always keep partying or something like that. I used to be at my room, and I used to do stuff like I used to learn from the Coursera. I used to learn some courses. I used to write poetry, and I used to do things like whatever I wanted to do. And yeah, obviously I used to go to college sometimes, but yeah, the frequency was lesser, and that's because the attendance didn't matter anymore. So yeah, I'm just talking about my experience. So yeah, obviously I'm not a goody two shoes. So yeah, obviously I've done mistakes in my life, and I've also been there, done that kind of thing. So but then so 8 months after that, like we were in the third semester of the MBA, so I had to complete another semester. So when my fourth semester exams got over, I got the offer letter, and then we moved to Bangalore for our induction training. So it went on for 7 days. Then I came back to Kolkata. Then I was trained for 2-3 months, and then I was sent to Hyderabad, and from then on I looked after the whole region of Telangana and AP for almost 1.2 years until I moved. So this was the story of my first job. I would really like people to comment below on their experiences, on their first job stories, and I believe everyone will have an exciting story to say. So I'm just waiting in the comments section. I'm just waiting who is going to say what, and let's see how everything happened in other lives. So thank you.